Hey guys, this is PBK Slime channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make slime in at home. Now in my last video I have shown you how to do activator at home. You can go through it and even link will be given in description. You can check through it. Now what you have to do is first you have to put some fevicol in one bowl. Then you should add some color. It's optional. You can use food color or paint. I am using here paint. Then put some water. I have used here 1.5 spoon. Don't put more water. Now mix it well. The water also should get mixed up and color should also get mixed up. Mix it well. You can see here the color is mixed up very well and even the water. Then here I'm using Godrej Senthol shaving cream. It's just 25 rupees. Don't use another shaving cream. Use it. It will be even available in medical stores and even online shopping stores. If you want to use other shaving cream, go check in ingredients. There is borax in it. If it's not there, you can't use it because it won't become slime. So that use this cream, shaving cream, and now mix it well. You can see here it's slowly becoming slime. It really works 100%. I will give you guarantee. Mix it well. Now here I am using my homemade slime activator. This I am putting 2 spoons. You may need more even, because why I use this activator, because the slime should not be sticky for my hand. So that case I am using the slime activator. Mix it well so that it should become proper slime. You can see here. If it is sticky to your hand, you can add still more slime activator. But also if it is sticky, you can uh, put that activator to your hand, scrub it nicely and play with that slime. After 24 hours it only will not stick to your hand. You no need stick to your hand. You no need to use any slime activator to your hand. You play with free hands. Now you can see it's not sticking to my hand because I have poured how much that slime need activated, that much I have poured to that slime. Now you can see it's so fluffy slime.